Looking for sharp visuals without breaking the bank? The best budget computer monitor for home office delivers crisp display quality, smooth performance, and modern features at an affordable price, making it perfect for work, study, entertainment, or casual gaming on any setup. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Philips Budget Monitor. The Philips Budget Computer Monitor stands out as an excellent choice for users seeking sharp visuals and reliable performance at an affordable price. With its 22-inch class size, 21.5-inch viewable, it delivers full HD 1920 by 1080 resolution, ensuring crisp clarity whether you are watching movies, streaming shows, or working on detailed projects. The VA panel brings brighter whites, deeper blacks, and more accurate gradients with 16.7 million colors, making images appear vivid and true to life. One of its key strengths is its 100 Hz fast refresh rate, which is particularly appealing for casual gamers and multimedia users who want smooth, fluid motion without lag. Combined with adaptive sync technology, this monitor ensures every frame is rendered smoothly, reducing stutter and screen tearing for a more immersive viewing experience. It is versatile enough for office use, study, entertainment, and light gaming, making it a well-rounded option. For those who value performance but don't want to overspend, this monitor delivers premium features at a budget-friendly price. Number 2. Sceptre Budget Monitor. The Sceptre Budget Computer Monitor is a strong contender in the affordable display market, offering impressive color accuracy and a range of features designed to enhance both work and entertainment experiences. Equipped with 100% sRGB color gamut coverage, it produces rich, vibrant, and naturalistic colors across reds, greens, and blues. This makes it an ideal choice for graphic design, content creation, or anyone who values lifelike visuals. The monitor also includes multiple connectivity options with 2 HDMI ports and 1 DisplayPort, all capable of delivering up to 100 Hz refresh rates. This ensures smooth picture quality during fast-paced gaming sessions or while working on demanding multimedia projects. To enhance comfort, Sceptre integrates blue light shift technology, which reduces blue light exposure and minimizes eye strain during long hours of use. This makes it especially useful for students and professionals who spend extended periods in front of the screen. Built-in speakers add further convenience by providing decent audio output without requiring additional desk space for external speakers. Whether you're playing competitive shooters or strategy games, these presets provide an extra edge. The combination of high refresh rates, customizable gaming modes, and robust color performance makes this monitor versatile enough for multiple uses. Number 3. Sceptre C248W 1920RN Monitor. The Sceptre C248W 1920RN Budget Computer Monitor is a fantastic option for users who want an immersive visual experience without spending too much. Featuring a 24-inch curved display with an 1800R curvature, it wraps images around your field of vision, creating a more engaging and in-depth experience, whether you are gaming, watching movies, or multitasking. The Full HD resolution delivers sharp picture quality, while the 75 Hz refresh rate ensures smoother motion compared to standard 60 Hz monitors. This makes it well-suited for casual gaming and everyday use, offering a noticeable improvement in responsiveness and fluidity. With HDMI and VGA ports, the monitor provides flexible connectivity options, and the inclusion of a PC audio in port adds convenience for connecting audio devices. Its sleek, modern design with slim bezels makes it a great addition to multi-monitor setups, creating a seamless viewing experience. Beyond aesthetics and performance, this monitor offers practicality, with a lamp life of over 30,000 hours for long-term use and durability. Number 4. KOORUI Budget Monitor. The KOORUI Budget Computer Monitor is an impressive 24-inch curved display that combines immersive visuals with modern design at a very attractive price. With its 1500R screen curvature, this monitor provides a wide and engaging viewing experience, making images appear to wrap around your vision for added depth and realism. It supports Full HD 1920 by 1080 resolution, ensuring sharp, detailed visuals that are perfect for work, entertainment, or gaming. Powered by a VA panel, the monitor delivers excellent contrast, deeper blacks, brighter whites, and 16.7 million colors, allowing for lifelike visuals and vibrant images. Its 100 Hz refresh rate enhances smoothness, making fast-paced content like movies or games fluid and enjoyable. The KOORUI monitor is also designed with style in mind, featuring ultra-thin bezels on 3 sides that make it ideal for multi-monitor setups. Despite being a budget-friendly option, it provides adjustable tilt functionality, enabling users to customize their viewing angle for maximum comfort. While it does not support VESA mounting, it makes up for this with its sleek design and flexible usability. Number 5. ZZA Budget Computer Monitor. The ZZA Budget Computer Monitor offers a strong combination of style, performance, and comfort, making it one of the most compelling affordable monitors on the market. With a 23.8-inch curved VA display, it provides a seamless and immersive viewing experience. The 2800R curvature and ultra-wide 178-degree viewing angle ensure consistent color reproduction from any position, which is particularly useful for shared workspaces or when enjoying multimedia content with others. The monitor supports a 100 refresh rate for smoother motion and reduced tearing, which benefits both casual gamers and office users who demand fluid performance. With 120% sRGB color coverage and 16.7 million colors, visuals appear rich, vibrant, and detailed, whether you are editing photos, watching movies, or working on presentations. A 3000:1 contrast ratio further enhances depth and clarity, producing stunning image quality that rivals more expensive monitors. Its slim, 3-sided bezel design allows for an elegant appearance and makes it ideal for multi-monitor setups, offering a near-borderless viewing experience. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.